Welcome. Today we're going to walk you through a simple and updated guide on how to make media from your existing WhatsApp chats show up in your phone's gallery. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want the media files to become visible in your gallery. It could be an individual chat or a group chat. This method works for both. Next, tap on the contact's name or the group name at the top of the screen. This will open the contact or group info page, where you can manage various settings for that specific chat. Now, look for an option called Media Visibility. This setting determines whether the media shared in this chat will appear in your phone's gallery. Tap on it to proceed. A pop-up menu will appear with three options: Yes, No, or Default, which follows your general WhatsApp settings. To make sure the media from this chat is displayed in your gallery, select Yes. Once you've tapped Yes, confirm your choice if prompted. And that's it. From now on, any photos or videos shared in this chat will automatically show up in your phone's gallery. Keep in mind that this change applies only to future media shared in the chat. It won't retroactively add older files to your gallery. If you need to repeat this for other chats, simply follow these same steps. It's quick and easy. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. See you next time.